This is for the ongoing ukulele workshop and jam. We're working on a song called Sunny Afternoon by the Kinks. And thank you, Ellen, for transposing this to the key of F from the key of C. We start off with a D minor chord. And we're learning that iconic bass line lick as well. I'm going to try to throw it all into the kit and caboodle here. We've got a shuffle beat at a little slower than the Kinks, 118, as we get this under our fingers. Starting note that we sing on is an A. The taxman. 1, 2, 3, 4. Taking all my dough, left me in my stately home, lazing on a sunny afternoon. And I can't sail my yacht, he's taking everything I've got, all I've got this sunny afternoon. Save me, save me, save me from this squeeze. I got a big fat mama trying to break me, and I love to live so pleasantly, live this life of luxury, lazing on a Sunday afternoon. Summertime, in the summertime, in the summertime, my girlfriend's run off with my car and gone back to her ma and pa, telling tales of drunkenness and cruelty. Now I'm sitting here sipping at my ice-cold beer, lazing on a sunny afternoon. Oh, help me, help me, help me sail away. You give me 2 good reasons why I ought to stay. Live this life of luxury, lazing on a sunny afternoon. In the summertime, in the summertime, in the summertime. Save me, save me, save me from this squeeze. I got a big fat mama trying to break me, and I love to live so pleasantly, live this life of luxury, lazing on a sunny afternoon. In the summertime, in the summertime, in the summertime.